Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and today I'll be unboxing the Motorola Moto G6 on Total Wireless. Okay everyone, so the Moto G6 here on Total Wireless. Now I did the unboxing of the Moto G6, the unlocked version. However, this phone was just released not long ago on Straight Talk and Total Wireless, so I decided to pick it up, check it out, use it on the Total Wireless network, and see how it does. So let's open up the flap here and look at some of the specs. Now it says Android 8.0 Oreo, a 5.7-inch Full HD Plus Max Vision display, talk time up to 21 hours, standby up to 14 days, has turbo power, quick charging battery, Wi-Fi capable, up to 32 gigabytes of storage, Bluetooth 4.2. It supports a micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes, has a dual lens 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel camera with an 8 megapixel front facing camera and a 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor with a fingerprint scanner. So let's go ahead, open the box and look at it. Okay, so got the phone out there. Let's go ahead and pull this top cover off, and we'll pull the phone out and put it to the side for a moment, and we'll see what comes in the box. So in here you got your Moto G6 readme book, as well as your legal safety terms and conditions, stuff like that. Got your turbo power charger here, as well as your USB type C charging cable, and of course you get your Total Wireless terms and conditions, stuff like that, and your SIM removal tool. Looks like they did not include a case in this version, unfortunately, but that's the way it goes. So let's go ahead and put all this away and we will look at the phone. So the phone is now in hand, and you know, it's really good to see that Track Phone, Straight Talk, Total Wireless did not get the watered down version of this, that it actually has, you know, a good amount of RAM, storage, processor, and everything that pretty much comes along with the Moto G6. So that's really good to see that there. Let's go ahead and pull off this front screen protector here, and we'll look on the phone. So on the bottom here is a microphone, your fingerprint scanner there, a nice 5.7-inch display. Got your receiver, your flash, and your front-facing camera. Here on the right side, you do have your power button as well as your volume rocker. On top, you do get a noise cancellation mic as well as your SD and SIM card tray there. On the left, we have nothing at all. And on the bottom, we have your USB Type-C. Can't get the focus in there, but got your USB Type-C charging port and 3.5 millimeter headset jack. And on the rear here, you see the dual camera setup, flash, your Moto dimple there, and Track Phone logo down there, as well as another microphone down there. So we'll go ahead and give this phone its first boot up. So got Motorola there, powered by Android. So we'll go ahead and let this thing here set up, do its thing, and I'll come back when it's finished. Okay everyone, so we're set up now and ready to go, and this screen looks really good. I know on camera it can't do it justice, but looking at here in person, it's a very sharp, vibrant, clear display. Now swiping this way here shows all your home screens. This way here shows your Google. Swipe up here for your app drawer. So there's not a whole lot on the phone as of right now. Got Dolby Audio, FM radio, your Moto gestures, all that kind of stuff in there as well. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the drop down, and you'll see your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, don't disturb, flashlight, Dolby Audio, auto rotate, battery saver, airplane mode, capture screen. You can also edit all of these here as well. So you can add other stuff like data saver, invert colors, location, and stuff like that. So really nice stuff there. Go ahead and go into the settings here and browse around. So go into network and internet. You got your Wi-Fi, data usage, hotspot, airplane mode, VPN, stuff like that. Connected devices, apps notifications. You got your battery here, of course. So you have your battery saver, battery percentage, adaptive brightness, your sleep. Got your display here as well. So you get your brightness level, adaptive brightness, color mode. So you can sit here and choose from warm to cool, whatever you prefer, between standard and vibrant. So really nice stuff there. And go down here to sound and storage. So storage, out of 32 gigabytes, you have 6.64 gigabytes used. So that's not too awful bad, because you got 25.3 gigabytes free out of 32. So that's not too bad at all. Got security and location. So you got your screen lock preferences. You got fingerprint, which has not been set up yet. Smart lock location, and all that kind of stuff there. Pretty much stuff that you've already seen over and over again. Accessibility. You got your accessibility shortcut. You got Moto voice. Select to speak, talk back, text to speech output, font size, display size, magnification, color correction, color inversion, large mouse pointer. You can also go in here and power button ends call, on or off, auto rotate screen, touch and hold delay, mono audio, stuff like that. And scrolling down here to system and about phone, you will see Moto G6 there, and running version 8.0.0 with July 1st, 2018 security patch. So pretty good, pretty stock here. Like I said, there's not a lot on the phone right now. When I put my Total Wireless SIM card in here, I'm not really sure how much bloatware it will add. So far, I see the My Account downloader, Wi-Fi utility, stuff like that, app finder, 1W weather. I actually use 1W weather a lot, but yeah, I mean, the phone does feel really nice. It looks really nice. The Moto G6 I had before, it was unlocked, was really nice as well. So I want to try this out here on Total Wireless. Now, for Total Wireless and Straight Talk, this phone cost $179.99 at the time of this video at Walmart. So, I mean, honestly, it's not a bad deal. Yes, it's locked down to TracFone, Total Wireless, Straight Talk, whatever. But really, if you're on that network, $179 and you're getting these kind of specs, and it's not watered down, especially when the LG Stylo 4 got the worst version of the Stylo 4, is $199. And this one right here is $179. I got to say, it's really a go here. Between the Stylo 4 and the G6, there's really not much. I mean, honestly, this phone right here is the way to go. Go to the camera for a moment here and kind of browse around a bit. Here you got your camera, got your video by swiping here just like that. So pretty easy there. Swipe this way, you get spot color, panorama, portrait mode, face filter, slow motion, time lapse, and face filters. Up here, of course, is your settings. And you got your shutter sound, quick capture. You got rear size photo at 12 megapixels. Tap anywhere to capture, assistive grid. You can record in full 1080p, 60 frames per second, full HD 30 frames, 720 and 480 at 30 frames. So really nice to see all of that here. They really didn't change nothing between the unlocked version and the version you get here on Total Wireless, which is really, really nice. Object recognition, landmark recognition, stuff like that. So really nice stuff there. Go over here to the camera, to the camcorder, and up here it shows this button up here, which is your stabilization and your flash as well. So let's go ahead and go to the front-facing camera here for a moment, and we'll look around there. So, of course, you can go to your camcorder mode here as well. And we'll scroll over here to the set. You got group selfie, face filter, slow motion, time lapse, and face filters. Up here into the settings. Shutter sound, quick capture, save location. It is an 8 megapixel camera in the front. Selfie mirror, selfie photo mirror. Tap anywhere to capture. You can record in full 1080, 720, and 480, all at 30 frames per second with the landmark recognition as well. So, really nice stuff here. I mean, it also appears as your HDR mode, your front-facing flash. So it's nice to have a front flash here on this phone by just, there you go, pictures taken and all like that. So, I'm definitely going to test this phone out more here on Total Wireless and see how much I do like it and give it a chance and everything. So, yeah, just wanted to unbox and give a walkthrough here of the Moto G6 on Total Wireless. If this was helpful and informative, hit that like button. Any questions that you may have, leave it below, and I'll get back with you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Hit that bell for post notifications. That will be awesome. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.